Now here we have the service elevator. Ooh. This was added in at a later time. Whew. All right, so this one is in Illinois. Actually, I don't know if this was that. I think it is, but don't quote me. I don't know. All right, so up to 6. So this one's Illinois. I don't know, maybe Illinois did the mod on the other ones too, but I'm not sure. Learn how to read. People don't close the gate because they're fucking stupid. Here's a chain if you want to do any kinky shit in the elevator. Fat fuck. What the hell did this thing... Why is this thing so fucking... I don't like that. It's ugly. This one is just normal traction. See, EWGT instead of EWGD, which is winding drum like the other. All right. Ooh. I love that. And somebody has tried to break into the firebox. Uh-oh. All right, that's it.